Hello and welcome to this technical presentation from Contactum. My name is Alan Broom and I'm the Technical Support Manager for Contactum. So thank you for joining us. I'm very pleased to be able to showcase the Alfanar range of wiring accessories to you today. I'd like to start with an introduction to our parent company, Alfanar. The photo here is of Alfanar Industrial City, and as you can see, it's huge, covering 700,000 square meters. Amongst other electrical equipment, they also have the capacity to manufacture 2.5 million pieces of switches and sockets a month. Over 250 well-trained workers and production engineers man all of the production lines. Every single component part of the Alfanar range is made in-house, with no reliance on a third party. This means that lead times are shorter, with a capacity to manufacture larger volumes more quickly, with a total control over quality. As you would expect, the Alfanar range includes accessories suited for the majority of installations, with the usual suspects listed here. Just to note that the RCD sockets are compliant with the latest revision of BS7288, and the USB sockets are compliant with the latest revision of BS1363. Every Alfanar product is supplied with a protective paint guard as standard. This means the electrician can fit and forget on a second fix, leaving the decorators to be able to carry on without any damage to the accessories. The snap-on front plates provides an attractive screwless appearance. The smart rocker design is both aesthetically pleasing and comfortable to use, and from an installation standpoint the terminals are easily accessible, providing the installer with plenty of space to work with, easy to retrofit to installations with reduced cable lengths. The back plates of the Alfanar range are made from polyamide, known for its inherent strength and resistance to high temperatures and fires. Polyamide differs to the standard urea accessories you're already familiar with, offering a greater resistance to impact. Because it's injection molded, it allows for more scope in the design and manufacture process, and as such can be manipulated into designs that the conventional thermoset process is unable to. Also, polyamide is fully recyclable. The cage terminals within the Alfanar products are of a single piece construction and are made on machines dedicated to this process at Alfanar City. The contacts themselves are made from a silver alloy. This provides the contact with the highest degree of performance both thermally and electrically. Moving contacts are again made at Alfanar City and from pure copper, utilizing the latest technology to incorporate a silver inlay to the contact. This helps to increase electrical conductivity and endurance. The internal copper conductors within the socket outlets ensure consistent contact with the plug pins, reducing contact resistance. This also helps to increase the lifespan of the outlet, and these parts are again made at Alfanar City. Neon indicators have traditionally been used to display the status of outlets and switches. The Alfanar range incorporate long-lasting LEDs as standard into indicated products. The LED and PCB are both designed and manufactured at Alfanar City. Alfanar products comply with numerous design standards, IEC and British standards being applicable for the UK. Compliance with other standards allows these products to be used elsewhere in the world with very little additional verification. The in-house test lab at Alfanar City allows testing of various materials and components to certify that they are fit for purpose. All Alfanar wiring accessory products are also certified by a third party to independently verify compliance. The importance of third-party testing and certification must not be understated. Testing and certifying in this manner ensures that a qualified independent testing laboratory has concluded that the final product complies with the relevant product safety standards. This assures a higher level of confidence and transparency for customers and end users. So, as previously mentioned, this is the video showing the high temperature glow wire testing. The glow wire is heated to 850 degrees and is inserted into the plate assembly where ignition occurs. The glow wire is left in contact with the plate for about 15 seconds. When the plate is removed from the glow wire, the plate self-extinguishes, and it's important to note that no molten material or flames fell from the plate during testing. Switch rocker mechanisms are subjected to an endurance test. 40,000 actions are performed under load by automated actuators and counters. After completion of this test, the rocker mechanisms are inspected for wear and to verify the high levels of quality required. The same applies to socket outlets. Performance tests of the copper conductors are carried out to verify that they still perform as expected after several thousand insertions of the plug pins. This is an environmental chamber where mini-grid modules can be seen being subjected to temperature and humidity testing. And here is just a short snippet of the automated manufacture process. Here we have mini-grid switches on automated production lines. These are plunger assemblies, a three-part component consisting of a plunger, a spring, and a carrier. This is final verification and testing. And finally, packaging. Contactum takes pride in its commitment to quality in testing, going above and beyond basic requirements to provide safe, reliable and functional products. As such, we have a quality management system in place which is regularly audited and certified by an independent third party to the requirements of ISO 9001:2015. It's at this point I would normally pass around a few products for you to look at, but because I can't do that, I've added some photos of the core products. The smart rocker previously mentioned is on the left and the wide rocker on the right. The wide rocker being especially useful for people with impaired dexterity. Here we have the standard double pole 13 amp switched double socket and the switched USB version. Type A USB outlets are currently available and USB Type C will be coming soon. It's good to note here that USB sockets require a 35mm back box. Contactum has altered the specification of the original factory fit dimmer module. For LED versions, they now incorporate modules sourced from one of the UK's most widely respected manufacturers of lighting controls. Another great feature of this range is that optional interchangeable colour plates are now available. This gives the end user freedom to coordinate and change the colour from the standard white plate to any of the colours above to complement the decor within the installation. This can be done without calling an electrician, and there are 17 colours to choose from. Complete products can also be ordered as a coloured suite specific to installation requirements. And the mini grid option is also available. These items clip directly into the plate without the requirement of an additional frame. We can also print legends to switch rockers as required. This particular part of the range was designed specifically for the KSA market and as such does have some limitations for the UK market. Therefore, we have a compatibility chart to the right hand side here, which is quite small on this screen, but I have a PDF ready to share with you via email along with the Alfanar brochure. Euro module plates are also available in two sizes. Single plate with one 50 by 50 recess and a two-gang plate with two 50 by 50 recesses. These are suited for use with our standard line of colour-matched Euro module inserts, which you may already be familiar with. These modules snap straight into the plate, so there's no need for an additional frame. Antibacterial versions of these products are available as an option, though lead times will vary. Please be sure to discuss requirements for these products with Contactum customer services. And here are just a few applications where the Alfanar range would be ideal. Social housing, new builds, offices, shops, restaurants, domestic, student accommodation, and antibacterial versions in hospitals, doctors, and dentists. So on behalf of Contactum, I'd like to thank you for your time today. Should you need any documentation in regards to the Alfanar range or any other technical inquiry, please email me at the address on the screen and I'll be sure to assist you where I can. Thank you.